Hi, I'm Travis Walker with the Law Offices of Travis R. Walker. We handle probate here in our office, and it's important to delineate and outline 6 major steps here in Florida with regards to probate cases. It's not all the steps, but they're the major steps that give some type of guidance and flow to how a case will typically go. So probate is the probate of either a will or the estate of someone who doesn't have a will, and that's testate versus intestate. So regardless, both of those would have to be probated in order for the assets to be handled appropriately. So those 6 steps are filing the petition. There's a petition for administration of the estate that has to be filed with the court so that the court has jurisdiction to give the authority to marshal the assets and to distribute the assets. 2, there's a notification and publication process. There's a process by which creditors and others are notified of the action so that they have the right and due process rights to get involved should they decide to. 3 is an asset inventory and appraisal. Again, the personal representative, what we call the executor up north, but here in Florida we call it the personal representative, marshals the assets, collects the assets, and makes sure that the estate is being handled appropriately. That is a fiduciary duty, which is a very, very highly important duty here in the state of Florida to make sure that they have that protection for those people. 4, payment of debts and taxes. They do have to pay some debts, pay some taxes, but that's why you really have to analyze the case, because there are some exemptions, including like a homestead exemption here in the state of Florida, which is very important protection for estates. 5, asset distribution. Once the debts and expenses and everything's been determined, then there's a distribution of the actual assets of the estate. And then 6 is a final account and a closing, and that's the process by which the actual probate is closed, and then everyone can move on and you don't have to worry about the probate ever again. If you have any questions here with regards to probate, happy to chat. 772-708-0952 here at the Law Office of Travis R. Walker. Thanks so much.